Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the legitimacy of influencerdiscountcodes.com. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide to understanding if this website is trustworthy, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Research the website. Before jumping into any discount codes or offers, it's crucial to do some background research. Start by checking the domain age. Older websites tend to be more trustworthy. You can use tools like WOWISE to find out when the site was created. Step 2. Read reviews. Look for user reviews and testimonials on various platforms. Check sites like Trustpilot, Reddit, or social media platforms to see what other users' experiences have been. Be wary of overly positive or generic reviews, as these may be fabricated. Step 3. Verify the offers. Once you have an idea of the general sentiment about the site, take a closer look at the offers available. Are the discounts too good to be true? If an offer seems unusually high compared to what the brand typically offers, it's worth digging deeper. Step 4. Check social media presence. A legitimate website often has a strong social media presence. Verify if influencerdiscountcodes.com has active accounts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Observe their engagement rate and the authenticity of their followers. Retours. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still have concerns, reach out to their customer support. A reputable website should have responsive and helpful customer service. Take note of how quickly they respond and the quality of their answers. Step 6. Look for secure connections. Always check for secure connections on the site. Look for HTTPS in the URL, as this indicates a secure connection. Avoid entering personal information on sites that do not have this feature. Retours. Step 7. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, trust your gut. If you encounter overly aggressive marketing tactics or pressure to act quickly, this could be a red flag. Always prioritize your safety when shopping online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these, and don't forget to hit the like button on this video if you found it helpful.